lot of y'all might not want to do this, but trust me, it's gonna help. All right, so here goes some quick beginner tips for the Onyx that I wish I'd have known when I first got the bike, but now that I know them, I use them all the time. First one is gonna be from the good John Angel. Look, you see this right here? You see how my power button is taped shut? Like I pressed it down, then I taped it. Because this power button, by you pressing it and unpressing it, pressing it and unpressing it, it'll start getting loose to where it'll stop working and you cannot turn your bike on. So turn it on, tape it, and leave it like that. You don't have to worry about, you know, dealing with the button. The way you turn the bike on and off, just use the app or use the key fob. Let's see, what else? Oh, number 2, this is a good one. Man, I can't remember the homie's name. I'll throw his thing up in the video if I can. He told me about this one, your disc brakes. So you want to, you know, pretty much after every ride or every other ride, wipe these down with some alcohol. Keeps the brakes nice and clean. You know, go to the dollar store, get you some 99-cent alcohol, get you some napkins, and just wipe it on down. Just wipe around the rim, and you good to go. You're gonna do the same thing at the back too. Alcohol, wipe it down. What that's gonna do is it'll stop your brakes from squeaking. And I'd imagine if you didn't do it for a long time, they'll get dirty and then the brakes won't be as effective, you know what I mean? Let's see what else. Oh, this is a good one too. Side view mirrors. Get the ones that's on the side. Don't get the ones that come up from the angle. I know they look extra cool and all that, but they don't really work. You can't really see cars and stuff behind you. So when you get you some side view mirrors, get the ones that hang out from the side. I got mine kind of duct taped on the thing because I got the little generic ones. We'll switch them out. I'll get some new ones later. Let's see, what else? Oh, speaking of wiping down your the disc brakes, you also want to wipe down this part of the bike. So wipe down your shocks. If you don't have a shock cover on there, I guess you want to wipe these down with the same little alcohol. Just make sure they stay clean, you know. Oh, a lot of people was asking me what these are, these little orange things. These are extra lights. So if I'm riding at nighttime, I got the high beam here, then I got 2 extra high beams. Make it look like a big bike coming through so people can see me. Oh wait, I just thought of another really good tip. So a lot of y'all might not want to do this, but trust me, it's gonna help. If you can get like a little nail or something you can scratch with, put like some numbers or your initials somewhere on the bike so you can identify your bike in case, you know, something go wrong, you know what I mean? You can at least say, yo, my bike got my initials on the hub motor, or it got the initials on the base, the stem, or got my initials, or got my phone number, or got my special whatever, you know what I mean? And what in the, oh, the bike, I ain't touched it in so long, it just going off. Oh no, I'm sitting on the key fob. So yeah, another thing, don't sit on your key fob. And if the thing ever break off on the side, see I got the silver here but no silver on that side, don't worry about it. I mean, if you want the cosmetic to be beautiful, then, you know, there's ways you can buy them online, but yeah, you good. I think that's about it. You know, it's a powerful bike, so start off in eco mode, you know, ride around in eco mode, and then switch up to normal mode. Normal mode is fast you need to go in most cities and areas. Then when you want to zip around a little bit and you get experience, go into sports mode. But don't start off in sports mode. You will fall off this bike. That bike will leave you. You'll be on your back on the ground. So oh, and keep in mind, y'all, the bike is heavy. This is not like no bicycle. The bike gets heavy. So just keep that in mind. Like, you want to sit on it and just kind of balance, put your feet on both sides and just kind of go back and forth so you can get used to the weight and how the bike move back and forth. Other than that, it's a fat bee right there. Don't land on my bike. He finna land on my bike, and I am not trying to shoo him and get stung by no bee. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Hope these tips help y'all out, and y'all get to ride.